It's your best buddies, E, Mo, and me. Today, we are visiting the Calm Farm. Do you like animals? We love them. Let's go meet some animal friends. Each one has a fun way to help us feel calm. Moo! Who's that? It's a cow! Cow says, moo! Cow reminds us, go slow, calm will follow. Neigh! What's that? It's a horse. Horse says, neigh! Horse reminds us, run and play. Moving helps us feel okay. Ba, ba. Who's fluffy and white? It's a sheep. Sheep says, ba. Sheep reminds us, a little routine each day helps us feel safe and calm. Oink, oink. Who's rolling in the mud? It's a pig. Pig says, oink. Pig reminds us, mess is okay. Take a deep breath anyway. Cock-a-doodle-doo. What a loud sound. It's a rooster. Rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster reminds us, start your day bright. That brings calm and light. Snuffle, snuffle. What's sitting over there? It's a rabbit. Rabbit says, snuffle, snuffle. Rabbit reminds us, sit still. Rest is good. Bleat! Who's climbing that hay? It's a goat. Goat says, bleat. Goat reminds us, try something new. It helps us grow too. Woof, woof, who's wagging its tail? It's a dog. Dog says, woof. Dog reminds us, play with friends. That brings happy calm. Quack, quack. Who's splashing in the water? It's a duck. Duck says, quack. Duck reminds us, go with the flow. Calm will come. Meow! Who's splashing in the tub? It's a cat. Cat says, meow. Cat reminds us, a warm bath feels nice. Self-care is wise. Let's remember all our calm friends. Cow, horse, sheep, pig, rooster, rabbit, dog, duck, cat. That's the end of our calm farm day. E, Mo, and me are heading home now. See you again soon.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EMoMee and keep building your EQ one step at a time. See you next time, EQ Builders.
EMoMee.